Hello, welcome back. Happy holidays for one thing. Today we're going to be making double chocolate chip peppermint cookies. We're going to start off with 3/4 of a cup of butter at room temperature. And then 1/4 of a cup of oil. Okay, a cup of brown sugar. A cup of regular granulated sugar. And then we're going to use a paddle attachment, and in the KitchenAid mixer we're going to cream these together. I'm going to start off slow because I don't want the sugar flying everywhere. It'd be really bad. Just finished whipping it at the highest speed because that's going to get as much air into this as possible. I also preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and now we're going to add in 2 eggs, but one at a time. Let's go 1 egg. Oh, there's a cat that's yowling. Start that off on low. It's a medium. Then we're gonna add the second egg. Okay. Then we're gonna beat this on high for like 30 seconds. I lied, only 15 seconds. And then we're gonna scrape down the, okay, without doing that. Scrape it down so everything gets nice and incorporated. This is what you want your sugar butter mixture, like nice light brownish color from the brown sugar, but like it's not gonna fall. Well, maybe I shouldn't turn that upside down. And then I have a teaspoon of vanilla. We'll add that in right now. And then we're just gonna low till it's combined. We're gonna take 2 3/4 of a cup of flour in a medium mixing bowl. 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Get all that in there. A teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna combine all those together, and then we're gonna get a whisk. And we're gonna lightly whisk them together. Whisking is a good alternative to sifting. In case you don't have a sifter, this will get out a decent amount of the clumps and combine it fairly well. So you're gonna add 1/3 at a time to your mixing bowl. And then on low speed so it doesn't kapoof everywhere. I'm just gonna combine it. Okay, I'm gonna scrape down the sides to fully incorporate everything else. And we're just gonna clean this off because you don't wanna waste any of that. And then a little, like a hefty cup of chocolate chips. And then 2 tablespoons of crushed peppermint candy pieces. I might add more depending on how these look. I think I'm gonna add another tablespoon of peppermint pieces. I just love chocolate and peppermint together. It's like the world's greatest combination ever made. But yeah, so just another tablespoon. And we're gonna keep combining this as best as we can with the spatula. It's a thick dough. I'm gonna get a medium-sized cookie scoop and then a small-ish kind of bowl and holiday sprinkles of any kind. I wanted the non-Perel, the little circly things. This is all I could find, so this will do. Oh, the oven's heated. So we're gonna scoop out these like walnut-sized pieces of dough. And then we're gonna kind of roll it and then roll them in the sprinkles as best as we can. See, you got these pretty little holiday looking cookies. And so let me get a baking sheet out. Place them evenly on the baking sheet. Oh, come on, man. So some life updates. I am moving on January 30th. Because I can't film or do anything on time. So this is my place. I finally got a place in LA, and so when I move there, I'll hopefully be filming a little bit more. Definitely gonna miss everyone here up in Oregon, but it's just time for change for me, for one thing, and I'm really excited for a big change. I'm ready to grow as a baker and just as a person in general. Taylor Swift released Evermore, and oh my god, that album is just too good. I don't know how she keeps doing it. She just never ceases to amaze me. For a long time, I kind of wasn't a fan of her. I don't really know why. I think I let the internet sway my opinion, which is not fair. But then I watched Miss Americana, and I was like, oh my god, this woman is amazing. And then they're just gonna bake for about 8 to 9 minutes. So I'm gonna get some parchment paper on the other one because I'm doing peppermint pieces, and I'm worried that those are gonna stick to the pan. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to clean. Another little bowl. This is actually gonna be a fairly short video because I prepped everything ahead of time, which I normally don't do. I felt like a real chefy YouTuber today because I actually prepared everything and whatnot. Like, who is she becoming? Year, which is exciting. This year's been different. I'm not gonna say it's been bad. It's been a lot, definitely, that's for sure, but it's, to me personally, I don't think it's been a bad year. And like, I know a lot has had to change because of this year, but I think it changed for the better. But I'm gonna come back when I'm done baking these and eat one because I'm starving, for one thing, but for another thing, just because I love eating my work. Oh no, my battery's about to die. Okay, I will do that, and I will see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, they're all done. I ended up just doing the sprinkle version because this is what happened to the peppermint version. So, very excited. I'm going to be giving those as gifts to my coworkers. That was pretty much it. I will see you guys whenever I film again. You have a great holidays, and make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, I love you. Bye.